Hello and welcome to our first video in YouTube for the ATC lovers. In this video we are going to introduce you one of the most favorite ATC software simulation, which I love it so much. It is named EuroScope, and I can download it from the EuroScope website, which I show you here. It is the EuroScope.hu. It's a Hungarian website for the Hungarian guy that has built this. This is main repository. So we're going to download the software first. So after download, we're going to install. This install is very easy. Just next and next, and then it's finished. Okay, download is finished. Open it. This is MSI Windows Wizard. So go to next. Yes, we're going to install it in C. Next and next, and go in installation in progress. Yes. Okay, installation finished. Going to close that, and you can see EuroScope here. We have already installed it. One of the other things that you have to do after installation is going to check if there is the latest beta version for that in EuroScope.hu/install beta/changes.html. In this page, you can see the latest beta version, which it comes every 2 or 3 months, for example, less than that. I'm going to download that as well, and I'm going to find the installation address, which is here, EuroScope. I'm going to open that, which is a zip file. Open. Then copy all the files and folders into the installation folder. Replace all. Yes, I want to do it for all current items. Okay, now it's finished. I can put a shortcut on the desktop, close that, and I have EuroScope here. So the installation is finished. Our first section is already done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.